federal grand jury this week heard testimony about an alleged scam to steal Graceland from Elvis Presley's family. It was back in May when stunning reports emerged that Graceland was on the verge of foreclosure. It's a story that's only gotten more bizarre as time has gone on. The announcement of an impending foreclosure sale of Graceland immediately raised eyebrows and brought international attention. Elvis Presley bought the property back in 1957. And after his passing in 1977, Graceland has remained a major tourist attraction. Ownership of Graceland was later transferred to his daughter, Lisa Marie. But after her untimely passing in January of last year, a strange company seemingly came out of nowhere, announcing they were pursuing a foreclosure on the property. After word broke about the suspicious foreclosure, Lisa Marie's daughter, Riley Keough, took legal action against the company, and a Tennessee court would quickly halt the suspicious sale. It was later revealed that the company trying to get the foreclosure was called Nasani Investments and Private Lending LLC. They alleged that Lisa Marie had previously borrowed a whopping $3.8 million and that she had used Graceland as collateral. In September of last year, the company filed court documents listing Lisa Marie's debt and presenting a document she had allegedly signed. But Keough's lawyers claimed the loan documents were fraudulent and included forged signatures of Lisa Marie Presley. A lawyer wrote, "Lisa Marie Presley never borrowed money from Nasani Investments and never gave a deed of trust to Nasani Investments," with Elvis Presley Enterprises later saying in a statement, "There is no foreclosure sale." But after Keough filed the lawsuit to stop the foreclosure of Graceland, no one representing the mysterious company showed up in court. Attempts to contact the company went unanswered. But the New York Times and NBC News eventually got a response. A user claimed to be a dark web scammer based in Nigeria. The email said, "We figure out how to steal. That's what we do. I had fun figuring this one out, and it didn't succeed very well." Another email said, "We sit back and laugh at you idiots and watch you make fools of yourselves. Come find us in Nigeria." At that point, it sounded like the mystery had been solved after Graceland was saved. But it was only just the beginning. In a shocking twist, the investigation would not lead to a group of dark web scammers from Nigeria, but instead to a grandma based in Branson, Missouri. According to NBC News, those forged loan documents included a number of details that would lead to this woman in Missouri. She reportedly had a criminal history that stretched back decades, including scams, forged checks, and bank fraud. And she had previously served time in state and federal prison. Her name is Lisa Holden, and she was arrested numerous times over the years, including facing federal charges in 2005. They allege she used fake social security numbers and got more than $180,000 in loans from banks in Tulsa. She was sentenced to 20 months and ordered to pay restitution. And on Tuesday, a federal grand jury heard about the scam to steal the Graceland estate. One of the witnesses that the grand jury heard from was Holden's own roommate, who had previously told NBC News that in early 2024, she allegedly shared details about a plan to get millions of dollars from a foreclosure involving Lisa Marie Presley's home. Back in June, when an NBC News reporter knocked on Lisa Holden's door, they asked her whether or not she knew anything about a scam to steal Graceland. She said, "I have no earthly idea what you're talking about." As of now, there's no word yet on when a potential decision could be made by the grand jury. That's your latest update from CountryCast. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button with notifications on for the latest news and updates.